You are watching FlipTV News. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has sent a fresh list of 65 ambassadorial nominees to the Senate for screening and confirmation. The new list includes 34 career ambassadors and high commissioners and 31 non-career ambassadors, bringing the total of 65 nominees. Among the notable career diplomats are Sulu Gambari, Olatunde Ahmed from Kwara State, and Segun Ige from Edo State. In the non-career category, prominent names include Senator Folasade Bent from Adamawa, Senator Solomon Ita Enang from Akwa Ibom, and Senator Jimoh Ibrahim from Ondo State. Also on the list are Chioma Ohakim, former First Lady of Imo State, and Abdulrahman Zambadu, former Minister of Interior and former Chief of Army Staff, both absent from the initial batch released earlier by the president. Meanwhile, 3 previously nominated ambassadors, Kayode Are from Ogun, Aminu Dahatu from Jigawa, and Ayodele Oke from Oyo, have already been screened by the Senate Committee on Foreign Affairs. The Senate has now directed to screen the new set of 65 nominees within 1 week. That's the latest from the presidency and the National Assembly. For more political updates and breaking developments, stay tuned to FlipTV News. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.